Oh, wow! Amazing looks interesting. There are so many colorful balls. Look at this slider.
Wow! Hello, friends.
Look over here.
Did you see that?
Hey, kids, let's roll with me.
Yahoo!
Whoa! Ooh! It looks like we have 7 colors.
This place looks so much fun.
Yeah, that has a plan for today. I will show you how. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Here we go. Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. Cyan color. White color. Purple color. Green color. Yahoo! I want to slide like this. Whoa! That is awesome!
Yahoo! Wow, I love it! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Sliding is fun! That was wonderful!
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Looks so much fun.
Do you want to play? Over here.
go. Okay, let's do this. Hey, watch out! This is funny. Watch out! Oh, wow! Wow, I love it! Looks fantastic. See you guys. Hello, friends. Hey, Banana, look, that's over here. Hey, Banana, do you think you could help today? You could? Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. I will show you how. Let's go. Watch out. Look over here. Oh, wow. Hexagon. Whoa. Pentagon. That is awesome! An oval! Oh, wow! A circle! That looks fantastic! I'm so proud of you! Perfect! Star. Magnificent. Rectangle. Square. Amazing, looks interesting. Trapezoid. Oh, wow! A triangle. Wahoo! Hey, what a pleasant day. Yes. We shall learn animals today. Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. Hey, what's going on? Wow! Look at this crane. Awesome. Hello, friends. There are so many animals. Wow, what a great day! We are going to learn animals. That sounds good to me.
This is cheetah.
This is bear.
This is an elephant.
This is giraffe.
This is hippopotamus.
This is lion.
This is panda.
This is rhinoceros.
This is tiger.
This is zebra.
That looks fantastic.
Want to play?
Let's go over there.
Hey, roll with me. Go!
Great job, friends.
I'm so proud of you.
This is so much fun.
So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, friends. Look over here. Amazing looks interesting. See? Who is that?
Hello, friends.
Hey, look over here. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, I will show you how. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. Oh, wow! Here we go. That is awesome. Carrot. Capsicum. Grape. An apple. Pineapple. An eggplant. Dragon fruit. That was wonderful. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe now, and turn on the bell icon for more videos. Join the fun on Kidnology.